Say hi.
Hi.
Can you sing a song or count to 100?
1, 2.
Is that your tongue?
How about the funny face?
Okay, do a funny face. That's a funny face. Make a fishy face. Good job. Can you say hi, Aunt Megan?
Hi, Aunt Megan.
Wait, can you say I love you?
Mama.
Say I love you. Oh, wow. Say I love you. Hey, say I love you more.
I love you more.
No, I love you more.
I love you more. More. I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
We could go on forever, right?
No. I love you more.
No, no way. I love you more.
No.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.